Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create mail ID. In the previous video, we had already discussed like we can create our mail ID in different websites like Gmail, Yahoo, Reddit Mail, etc. So in this video, I will be let you know like how you can create your Gmail ID. We will go with the Gmail. Okay. So the basic requirement is in your device you should have the internet connectivity, whether the device is laptop, mobile phone or tab. So once you connected to the internet, open any browser in your particular device. So I am going to open the Chrome browser. Once you open the Chrome browser, you need to go to the address bar of that particular browser and you need to enter the domain name. So here I am entering www.gmail.com. So this is the domain or website we need to enter. Once you enter this address, hit the enter key from the keyboard. Once you will hit the enter key, a page like this will open where you can see the logo of the Gmail as well as name and few options like for work, sign in, create an account, or here also you have option to create an account. So you can click on any one of these link in order to proceed further. So we will click here create an account. Once you click, a page like this will open where you can see Google, create Google account to continue to Gmail. So in order to continue to Gmail, you will have to create your Google account. Okay, so here you can see some basic informations are required in order to proceed further. So first one is asking for the first name. So as a sample, I am taking Ramesh as a first name and next one is last name. So we can enter the last name. After that, you can see here it is asking for the username. Okay, so in the previous video we had already seen what are the different characters which are allowed in Gmail in order to create the username. Okay, so also you can see here you can use letters, numbers and periods, okay, in order to create your username. So let's enter some username. After that you need to click on this password option and you need to enter the your password. Once you enter the password, again you need to confirm your password. So while entering your password, you need to focus on at least you should use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So these are the things you need to focus while entering your password. Once you enter the confirm password, click on next. So you can see here this username is already taken, or we can try the different username. We will have to try with some another username. Okay, once you will proceed with the IDs, here you can see it's asking for some other information. Here you need to enter your mobile number. You can see this is an optional, so you can leave this. Okay, also here it is asking for recovery email address, so you will have to enter your recovery email address. Okay, and next it is asking for your date of birth. Okay, so you can choose your date of birth. Once you enter your date of birth, it's asking for gender. Okay, so here you can see and you can choose the options. Once you fill all these details, you just need to click on next. Once you will click on next, there will be option for privacy and terms. So you need to read all this information and finally you need to click on I agree. Finally, you will see welcome email by Google, simple, smart, secure. So your email ID has been created and now you can see this message. So just click on next. Also you can choose the view of your account. So just normally click on OK. Once you will click here, you can see the interface like this. So your email ID address has been successfully created. Okay, so once you will receive this message, you can see here, hi Ramesh, welcome to Google. Your new account comes with access to Google product, apps and services. Okay, so your email ID has been successfully created. Okay, so this is the way through which you can create your Gmail ID. Okay, so I hope you have got the idea how to create your Gmail ID. Now we will see how you can open your Gmail ID. Okay, so first of all we will sign it out. So in order to open your Gmail ID, you will have to enter the same Gmail website that we have entered during the creation of ID. So that is www.gmail.com. So once you will enter that address, you will get the same page, and here you can see the option sign in. So you need to click on here. Once you will click on that option, you can see here option like this. Already I have just signed it out after creation, so that's why it is showing me here the options. Or else if it will directly show you to enter your username and password. You can go through this also, or click on use another account and just enter the email ID here. Okay, and once you will enter your email ID, just click on next. Once you will click on next, it will ask for the password. Once you enter the password, click on next. After clicking, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, so this is the way through which you can sign into your Gmail account, or you can log into your Gmail account. So you can see here there are different options. You can also by your own, you can go through all these steps. Okay, and you can get to know the all different sort of functionalities. So this is the basic way of creating Gmail ID, as well as how to sign in the Gmail account. Okay, so I hope you might have got this two idea. So in upcoming videos we will see how we can compose a mail, how we can send a mail to the different IDs. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also you can share the videos with your friends so that they will also learn how to create the Gmail ID and how to use it. Thank you.